Hello students, today I am going to discuss about emulsion. Now what is emulsion? It is the mixture of two or more immiscible liquids, or it is a colloid of two or more immiscible liquids. But emulsion must be the mixture of liquids. Particles in colloid solution can be any phase. So we can say emulsion is colloid, but all colloids are not emulsions. Now I am explaining it. Milk. This is oil in water emulsion. This is a type. Oil is dispersed phase and this is dispersion medium. So this is emulsion and also colloid. But in case of cloud, this is water in air. Water in air. This is dispersed phase. This is dispersion medium. So this is colloid, but not emulsion. Okay, because this is in liquid phase and this is in gaseous phase. So this is the difference between emulsion and colloid. Now I am going to discuss about types of emulsion. What are the types? Number one, oil in water, where oil is dispersed phase and water is dispersion medium. Previously I have told in case of milk is an example, whereas vanishing cream also an example of oil in water emulsion. Another one is water in oil emulsion, where water is dispersed phase, oil is dispersion medium. Examples are cold cream, butter. Okay. Now in case of vanishing cream, I don't know you haven't any idea about vanishing cream. In case of, if anybody apply this vanishing cream, then it vanishes because this is oil in water. But in case of cold cream, we apply it in winter, skin becomes oily after using cold cream. Okay, that means this is water in oil. Okay, so by this way we can distinguish it. And now I am going to explain emulsifier. Basically, emulsion is not stable. So to enhance stability of emulsion, we add emulsifier in emulsion. As for example, detergent, surfactant actually, it enhances the stability of emulsion. So this is basically emulsion, types of emulsion and emulsifier. Now I am going to discuss another, I think, very complicated topic, which is micelle. Micelle, what is micelle? Micelle, an aggregate of molecules in a colloidal solution or surfactant molecules dispersed in a liquid colloid. There is two important terms are there. There is CMC, critical micelle concentration. This is concentration of surfactants above which micelle formation starts. Another one is Kraft temperature, the minimum temperature above which micelle formation starts. Okay, so what is micelle formation? When we wash clothes by soap or wash our hands by soaps, then what will happen? So at first we have to know, when we washing our hand by soap, then what is soap? What is soap? Soap is sodium or potassium salt of stearic acid or palmitic acid. The formula is say 17H35 COO minus Na plus. This is the formula of sodium stearate. Sodium stearate. I'm sorry. Now I am drawing it. This is hydrocarbon portion, non-polar head, and this is polar head. So when we use this soap, apply this soap on our hand or in clothes, then what will happen? This is oil and this is soap. This is non-polar end and this is polar end. Non-polar end means this is hydrophobic end and this is hydrophilic end. This portion is aqueous solution and this oil droplets. So non-polar end of soap is in oil droplets and polar end of soap in aqueous solution. So after forming this missile, when we rub our hand or clothes, then it removes from clothes or from our hands. So this end, hydrophobic end, means water repelling end of soap, and hydrophilic end means water loving end. Okay, I think you have understood this. So these are today's topic. Okay, so about this video, about this topic, if you have regarding this video about you have some queries or doubts, then send your problem in comment box and I will solve it in next video, next class. Okay, that's all. Thank you.